Every problem is an opportunity. So imagine all the time we spend on screens. I don't think I'm perfect at all either, but with the things I'm about to talk about, I've been able to improve a lot. But imagine all the hours we spend on screens. So let's say 4 hours on average. 4 hours on screens every single day. We times that for a whole year. That's 60 days in a whole entire year. And imagine what else you can do with those 60 days. So the problem that we spend a bit more screen time on our phones, we spend too much time doing that than what we could do. We could do other stuff. And the opportunity is that we can spend those 60 days doing other things. Imagine all the different things we can spend our time doing, except just temporary pleasure, which just makes us feel kind of bad after we do it. Really think about it. Like, I'm not gonna cut to the next thing, just think about that. It might seem like a lot, but if you just cut 30 minutes from the amount of time you usually just spend scrolling on your phone, not really doing anything, that can add up to a lot of time if you take it into a year. Also, when you're not on your phone, when you're doing other things, you have more time to think. Or if you don't know what to do, instead of just going on your phone, spend time to think. Think about what you can do instead. Always ask yourself, why are you going on your phone? Would your future self care about this? And it's not just you can have more time to do other things, but you'll stand out so much more from the rest of the crowd. You'll have a higher attention span, you'll learn a lot more things, and you can do other things, which just take a bit of time to practice. Like, for example, like playing the piano. If you just spend some less time on screens and a bit more time on the piano, you can become an exceptional piano player in a year, and then you'll instantly stand out. You don't change anything in your life. You don't have to make any severe changes. You just not go on your phone as much. It's crazy how many opportunities are available when you just take some time to think, embrace that boredom, and try to do something else. Think about what you can do instead. The best part about it is that it's not impossible to change. You can start right now, today, while you're watching this video. It doesn't have to be completely go from 0 to 100%, but just make a small little change, whether it's like, oh, I realized that I don't really use Instagram that much, but I still open the app sometimes. You can just delete the app, something like that. Do something that's quick and right in front of you that you can easily do to make it better for you. Write down some things that you can do instead. I know how much it can suck to try to get the motivation or encouragement to try to make change, but if you just spend 10 minutes trying to actually do something, write something down, go outside, try a new hobby, start creating things, anything you do is going to give you progress. Just think about your future self and what you would care about. If you want a guaranteed way also to be surrounded by like-minded people and have the encouragement to change, get better, grow, join the Screen Time Challenge in the description. We're all reducing our screen time and as a result doing other better things, improving in our lives a lot faster. I also have the Like-Minded Club you can join, which is completely free, and there's hundreds and thousands of like-minded people all trying to grow, share ideas, get better. Really think about this. If you do this, this video will be extremely valuable for you and you can make change. But if you just watch another video, don't take action on anything I said, then it's just going to be another thing that gives you screen time and it doesn't help you in any way. Hope this helps. I'll see you later. Take care. You got this.